Hey, are you struggling with fear, lack of confidence, or growing your brand? I got something for you. Introducing coaching for someone who. Volume 1, your on-the-go coaching solution. 6 powerful modules packed with quick lessons, audio coaching, and action-driven exercises designed to fit into your busy life. You'll get mindset and personal growth. Break fear barriers and stay committed. Public speaking and communication. Own your voice with confidence. Business and brand growth. Monetize your expertise and scale your impact. Content creation and social media success. Grow your audience and go viral. Social media, fatigue and digital overload. Manage burnout and stay balanced. Navigating negativity in media. Stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. You want results? It has what you need. You just gotta read. And listen, don't wait. Grab your copy now and start winning. Click the link to get started.
I struggled for years to attract clients. The authority positioning method helped me refine my message and build trust. I now have a steady stream of paying clients and finally hit my revenue goals.
The coaching for someone who module on content creation is perfect for beginners facing self-doubt and uncertainty. I struggled with posting consistently until I discovered the content rhythm strategy. It helped me plan ahead, and my engagement tripled. If you're looking for a quick, on-the-go solution to overcome obstacles and grow your social media, this program is a must.
I always felt stuck and overwhelmed by fear of failure. The Coaching for Someone Who digital coaching program is like having a personal certified life coach right by your side, guiding you along, helping you navigate everyday life challenges. This coaching program covers a wide variety of different issues most people encounter on a daily basis. The module on mindset and personal growth taught me the Fail Forward framework. This strategy completely changed my mindset. Now, I see every challenge as a growth opportunity, and I'm finally making progress in my business. If you're looking for a quick, easy way to overcome fear, build your confidence, and learn how to manage your everyday challenges, you need this life-changing program. It is powerful and convenient. You can read a short PDF and listen to a short audio lesson within 5 minutes. You can start implementing life-changing strategies that will transform your life and help you succeed. Thank you, Dream to Inspire Life and Communication Coaching, for this valuable tool.